Hi friends, I am here to present before you a common problem which we are all aware of but have not looked out for a solution. Later I am also going to talk about a solution I tried to create which is in the patent. I am sure all of us are pretty familiar with the process of tire inflation commonly adopted at petrol stations and gas stations. Here I am going to display a real video of the process at a station. Let us see. You see the boy is bending down to the front left wheel, checking the pressure. If the pressure is okay, he is getting up and moving to the front right wheel. Now is sitting down, checking the pressure. Now is inflating the tire. Once the tire is fully inflated as per required pressure, he will get up. In this video, he was carrying a pressure gauge and another nozzle for filling the air. But it is very common nowadays to carry a single nozzle coming from the digital tire inflator. Typically, he spends about 10 seconds per tire for inflation. So the total time spent per car is about 50 to 60 seconds. What is important here to note is that this operation is highly labor intensive. 4 sit-ups per minute per car, that is too much. Isn't it worrisome in today's context when most of such operations in industry are being automated? To solve this problem, I designed and prototyped this device which comes between a digital tire inflator and the tire. The idea is to completely eliminate the sit down and sit ups. And you can move from one tire to another tire because the device is on wheels. This could be an intermediate step towards complete automation which may not be far away. We can even scale it up to a level where human intervention is completely eliminated. If you like this invention, please click a like and hit the bell icon to subscribe to my channel.